welcome to my channel. This is Jacob, and this is Precious, our Indian ringneck rescue. Jacob found on the playground outside and brought him home. So now we are proud bird owners.
Here's a tip. Precious followed me from a car wash a block down the street all the way to the playground.
Yep, he wouldn't leave Jacob alone. Yeah, what do you think? What? What in the world?
No, it's okay.
What in the world?
Hi.
You gonna give Jacob a kiss? Yeah? Kiss? Aw, Precious. That was nice.
Hi.
That was
That was
super
a good
nice.
girl. Hi.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
What do you